Well, hello dolls and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be this twist and curl style that you see here using my son's hair care products. I love the main choice for my son's hair. If you have not seen his hair care routine, I believe it was his winter hair care routine, I'll leave it down below so you can go check it out. I use these products on his hair and I've been using them non-stop. I love these products for his hair. So I said, you know what? Why not try them out and see what they do for my hair? And as you can see, I mean, they did a little something, so yeah. I use Main Choice all the time in my hair, but I use the regular line for the adults, and I figured why not try the kids line and see what it does for my hair. And this is what we're going to be doing today. So if you guys want to know how I achieve this twist and curl style featuring the Main Choice kids hair care products, just keep on watching. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. So I'm starting off with freshly rinsed hair. My hair is soaking wet straight out the shower. So I'm going to be using the Main Choice Juicy Orange Fruit Medley Kids Shampoo. Love this. It's amazing in my son's hair. So why not try it in ours? So as you see, I am going to focus this shampoo primarily on my scalp and run it down the strands. So that way I get every inch of dirt out of my hair. I am adding a little bit more just so I can coat the backs of my hair, and as you can see, I didn't need that much more, but I did anyways, and it gave me a great lather. One thing I can say about this shampoo is it smells amazing, but I already knew that because my son told me before that it smelled so good, and I agree with him. It smells very fresh and fruity and citrusy, and we love it. And excuse the faces that I'm making so far, you guys. I do that when I'm trying products and it's just kind of like going through my mind how I feel about things. You'll notice that if you watch me for a while, but I'm just working the shampoo throughout my hair, and as you can see, it's making it super easy for me to detangle. My hair is a 3C type hair, and my son has 4B, 4C type hair. So for it to be manageable through his hair, I already knew that it would be manageable through mine. So yeah, and I absolutely love that I can detangle with shampoo. You guys know how important that is to me, not only for my hair but also for my son's hair. So I'm very, very pleased with the outcome of this shampoo. Alright, so we have rinsed that shampoo out of our hair, and as you can see, it has left my hair very shiny, and my hair looks super healthy and already detangled, which is a plus. But we're going to go in with the Fresh Lemon Kids Conditioner to further detangle and also add some more moisture back into our hair. And one thing I can say about this conditioner from the beginning is once I put it on my hair, it just melted into my hair. And as you can see, my hair is already detangled. I'm just going in and just further detangling whatever got tangled while I was rinsing. But as you can see, it's super easy. It just melts right into my hair, and I'm just kind of taking it and pressing it and running it through my hair. And now I'm just going to detangle with my wide tooth comb just to further detangle and to make sure that product is all the way melted throughout each strand of my hair. One thing to note about the Main Choice hair care products, whether it be the adult line or the children's line, is that they're free of mineral oils, they're free of parabens, sulfates, formaldehyde, and all of the other yucky stuff that comes in the standard products that you see on your shelves today. So if you want hair care products that are going to be great for your hair, also maintain length and manageability and also retention, then you want to pick these products up. And because the products work so well, that is the only shedding that I received from my wash day. Amazing. So now we're going to move on to the styling portion of this video. So first I'm going to be using my Green Apple Kids Leave-In Conditioner in Y'all. This stuff smells so good and it feels amazing in my hair. It feels good in my son's hair as well, and I think that this is probably his favorite product from the whole lineup. He loves it, but I love the Sweet Strawberry Kids Moisturizer because it does an amazing job of moisturizing his hair after you use that leave-in. So it's both like a 1-2 punch combo kick, back. It works so good. Oh my gosh, you guys. So I use it in my son's hair all the time, so I figured this combo would work well with my hair. And as you can see, I've twisted my hair down, and now I'm gonna be applying my perm rod. And once I have that secure, then I'm gonna move on to the rest of my hair. And once I'm done with the rest of my hair, I have secured this last perm rod. This is what your hair will look like. Now, I'm not quite sure how many twists I have in my hair, but it's enough to give me volume, but still have lots of definition at the same time. So that's what I was going for. All right, so it is the next day and our hair is completely dry, and now what I'm gonna do is just apply a little bit of oil in my palms, and I'm just using the ancient Egyptian oil, and I'm just gonna run it through my scalp first, down the strands of my hair, and then I'm gonna release those perm rods. And as you can see, the curls are popping, y'all. Y'all know I love me some curl poppage. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna do is take these perm rods out, and then I'm going to unravel. So now that we have all the perm rods out, I'm just gonna take each strand and just unravel. I put a little bit more of that ancient Egyptian oil in my hands, and as I run the oil through the strands, I'm just unraveling and separating as I go. I'm trying not to separate too much because I'm not that good at it, y'all. I'm not that good at it, but I do what I can, and I get the results that I like. So do whatever you want to do. If you want to leave them together, feel free to do so. It's completely up to you. And the perm rods definitely left my hair with lots of curl. I do want to try my hand at just the regular perm rod set without the twist. So maybe I'll try that one day, but until then, we're gonna make do with these twists and curls. And there you have it, dolls. I am just slicking these edges down like I always do. That is completely optional as well. And now I'm gonna fluff my hair out with my pick and give myself a little bit more height and volume. Now keep in mind, if you do want to do this on the first day, that's completely fine, but as the days go along, your hair will expand and get bigger and bigger and more fluffy and full. So keep that in mind once you're picking your hair out from the beginning. And just like that, dolls, this tutorial is done. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and if you did, feel free to leave a comment down below. One thing I will leave with you guys is that the Mane Choice Kids hair care line is rich with vitamins. Also, it has a lot of carrier essential oils and also properties such as aloe vera juice, marshmallow root extracts to make your wash days a lot easier, faster, and more tear-free. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I recommend you moms to try it for yourself, and maybe you may have a new staple for yourself. You never know. So hopefully you enjoy, and until next time, I see you gorgeous. Bye.